Go.
You know, it's the best shit ever. It's like free porn. So what are we doing on Civilization?
Pick a city. Or person.
Who should we be?
Be tits. I mean toots. Boobs.
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 Let's be the Greeks. We've never been the Greeks yet.
Well, we have. It's just... No, we haven't. Never mind.
No, we've been the Germans.
Wow, that's many. Wow.
Only people who watched the other bloopers video.
Wow.
No one cares.
Makes my knee really well now.
Found that city.
Dude, now it's bright as fuck. Y'all didn't come for the gameplay anyways. Y'all came to hear us talk.
What?
I said, they didn't come for the gameplay anyways. They came here for us to talk.
Exactly. That's the whole point. Yeah, you built that fucking Stonehenge. What are we gonna go for this time?
Domination.
Domination?
Domination.
I don't think the Greeks were the right ones.
Cultural.
Cultural?
Yeah.
What? No, that's easy.
Then fucking do it. Fucking fogey.
We're gonna win in like 3 minutes.
Good, because this video can't be too damn long.
Well, the iron working. So if I'm bored, we'll do domination. Because I like to be dominated.
That's hot. Not.
That shit hot.
It's a ladder. It's a nice ladder. Why don't you look at that ladder? Do you like that ladder? Tell me you like that ladder. Tell it it's pretty. If you don't tell that ladder it's pretty, it's gonna kill itself.
Dude, what the hell is wrong with you?
That went too far. That went a little too far. But seriously though. Hashtag save the ladder.
I hope I don't run into anyone. I hope I'm just solitary through this entire gameplay.
You are. You're on that one little chunk of land right there.
Oh, I hope it's just one little chunk of land.
Is it not?
I don't know. I haven't searched for anything.
You're gonna watch this in multiple point of views. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like, watch. What? Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you guess what that is? My finger. Hey Cole, I got a joke for you.
What?
What's white?
What's white?
What's white?
Is it me?
No, the answer was blue eyes, dead eyes, white. Blue eyes, dead eyes of the white dick.
Okay.
Looks like you're not solitary on the island.
Apparently not. I'm still hoping I kind of am.
Are you just separating your land from each other?
No, they're still really close. I just wanted to put them so I can get gold. Because gold makes the world go round.
You know what else makes the world go around?
Actually, I should build
My dick.
soldiers. Yeah, that does too.
I thought you were just going to completely just ignore me. I was like, yep, yeah, that background joke, no.
No, I heard it. I said that does too.
I know, I was about, yeah.
Oh, I'm not #1
Safety.
city? No, it's fucktard. Fuck you.
And every time we bombed you, Napoleon?
Wait, are you right? What the hell?
Kill him. Are they attacking you?
Hell no. Go the fuck away, little shithead.
Build warriors. Take over Paris.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
What?
Leave the fuck alone. They're like, we're uncivilized. Napoleon, will you go the hell away?
Dude, he's circling the crap out of y'all.
How am I losing cultural? My ass!
Hey, you wanna know why you're losing cultural?
Why?
Because Napoleon likes your dick. That went a little too far. Again.
Yes, go.
This is what happens when I'm tired.
That boat, okay, good. The boat's away now, so now
The boat just spontaneously combusted. Oh my.
Paris is the #1 city.
Hey, y'all wanna go on an adventure? Let's go on an adventure.
Now we can build walls.
Shh, don't tell them we're going on an adventure.
Where are you going?
We're going on an adventure. Now I'm lazy. Let's go lay back down. The adventure's over.
That adventure was quick. Is it still recording?
Yes.
Okay. How many minutes?
5.
It's gonna take so long.